Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Don't worry about it, kid. It's the least I could do. After all, Gas Can is my middle name.
It is?
I'm coming!
Kiss the pavement goodbye, gentlemen. When I'm finished with you, you'll have mud in places you didn't know you had.
Yo!
Is really getting him into the zone.
He's so getting beat.
Thanks, guys!
As crop hoppers at
I'm running on vapors. I need to land.
What are you doing out here with an empty tank?
Well, I thought I'd...
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
What are you doing? Gotta keep moving!
My friend Guido, he dreamed to give a real race car a pit stop.
He stopped?
I'm telling you, man, Every third blink is slow.
What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty.
I hereby dub thee.
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you.
I am not coming in behind you again, old man.
Tag, you're in.
What's going on? That's what I...
Not my town, dope.
Glorious jewels strung on the necklace of Route 66. The Mother Road. It is our job.
Hello, face! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
You're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Oh, sure.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will. Baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go.
Trooper responding. Where's Vader? Oh, put it in reverse, pal. Make room for my way.
jet going full blast. McQueen hanging on for dear life when suddenly them two nasty lemons go.
He could keep special things safe in a barn, but the barn is too big.
To clear the way.
Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive. Yeah, I just figured we never found out who the world's fastest car is. Plus, no press, no trophy, just rate.
Working on that, and the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.